Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your pattern lock is not being recognized on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. When you're trying to log into your phone and your pattern is not being recognized, you can try putting it in a different order, or just make sure you're putting it in correctly, because the order in which you put your dots in is of course important, no matter how much the order looks the same. But if it doesn't work, you can try, of course, restarting your phone. Now, of course, tapping the volume up and the power button at the same time will show the power menu, but as you can see, using the options won't let you restart without using your pattern. So you want to force restart your phone. To do so, press and hold the power button until the logo shows up. Preferably, yes. You can stop holding it, and this will restart your phone. You will have to wait a little bit though. Then after your phone turns back on, you want to try the pattern out again, which will actually lock you out after the first run attempt. Now, normally you could also try to go into safe mode, but as you might notice, it doesn't let you without using a pattern again. So if it's not being recognized still after the reset, you might have to perform a factory reset. To do so, simply again force restart your phone. Just press and hold the power button for those 8 seconds or so until the phone screen turns off. Then the moment the logo shows up, press and hold the volume down button to enter the bootloader. Here, use the volume down button to scroll down to recovery mode, and then use the power button to confirm. Then your phone is going to restart again, and once the no command window shows up, just press the volume up. Just press and hold the power button, and the volume up button shall be clicked right after. Here you can scroll down to wipe data / factory reset, use the power button to confirm, then scroll down again to factory data reset and confirm with the power button again. Then you can simply make sure you have reboot system now selected and press the power button to confirm, which is going to now start up your phone, which might take a while. After waiting for a bit, you will now be in the first setup. Here you can select your language and vision settings, and then just continue on. You will have to connect with a network, so just connect with one and then just go through it as normal, though you will now have to try and recover your phone. At this step it might take a bit of waiting again. Here you'll have to verify your pattern or use your Google account. Since it didn't recognize your pattern before, I would recommend actually using your Google account, where you'll have to log into the account you had synced on the phone before. So just put in your account details, and then it should all be fine. Then once you've put your account details in, it's going to wait a little bit. Then you have to put your account details in again to sign in to the phone. Then once you've put your account details in, just continue through the setup process. You can just continue through. If you had any backups on this account, then you'll be able to recover them. It should automatically recover all of your contacts. Now you can set yourself a pin, a pattern, or whatever you want. Let's set a pin this time. Just make sure you remember whatever you put in there. You can set fingerprints, or you can skip that. You can copy apps, for example, from your backup from before. As you can see, the latest backup here was yesterday, so let's pick that one. And you might have to confirm the pattern you had back then, or you had on the device from which you're copying. So after that you can just restore and then just continue on through the setup process. Pick your search engine, pick your browser, that is, and then the search engine. Then continue through. You can just go through, continue. You can skip things if you don't want them. Just go through the setup process as you did when you first turned the phone on. Might be a bit of waiting again. Then after waiting you can just continue through the setup process, pick the navigation style you want, the theme you want, set up parental controls, and then just finish going through this. Pick the top installed apps, as they call them, and select whichever ones you don't want to be installed on your phone. You can skip. And now your phone is back to what it was before, except maybe you lost some apps if they weren't in the backup, maybe some photos if they weren't backed up either. But that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.